Hey everybody, January 8th would have been David Bowie's 75th birthday. I want to celebrate his life and music in a special live stream lesson. There's a link to it in the description below. We're going to play an easy to play song from his Philadelphia soul era, Young Americans. And even if you're not a huge fan of David Bowie, there's a lot of benefits of learning this song. First of all, it's easy to play for beginners. And second, because it's from his funky Philly soul era, we can learn a great funky strum. That's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this live stream lesson. Check the links down below. Hope you'll join me, and please share the links with your ukulele and music-loving friends for a good time playing David Bowie's Young Americans. By the way, this month at my Patreon page, for those of you who are members, thank you. At the upper levels of membership, there will be some bonus lessons that will teach you the great funky guitar rhythm fills of Carlos Alomar and a couple of other things that you can add to this song to make it a bit more of an intermediate and advanced tune. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope this message finds you well. Look forward to seeing you for another good time playing music together live on YouTube. You can watch anytime as a replay. Wishing you all the best, and I'll see you there.